Hey guys, so in this video, you are going to learn how will you make money with drop shipping. It is super important to learn the business module of dropshipping in a high level so that you can take full advantage in this dropshipping business. So now, let's go step by step so that you are clearly understand the dropshipping business model. The very first thing that you are going to do is to build an e-commerce store by using Shopify. Well, you might find it a bit scary now, but do not worry. If you have never done this before, it is absolutely no worries. I am going to guide you, so do not worry at all. You do not need to know any technical knowledge or any complex SEO stuff. It is just all drag and drop. So, when you've done this, you need to fill up your store with products, descriptions, price, images for people to buy from your store. So what we are going to do now is to go over to a website called Aliexpress. Aliexpress is a supplier hub. It is a website that allows factory owners to sell their products to end user with a wholesale price without any minimum order. Most of the suppliers are from China. Inside AliExpress, there has more than millions of products that you can choose from. So just for an example, you are setting up an online necklace business. So you will go to AliExpress and look for the necklace that you want to sell. The price in AliExpress is $3. What we want to do now is to put everything from AliExpress to your Shopify website, which include the image and also the descriptions. And the only things that we are going to change is the price. So I am going to mark it up to $20. The next thing that we are going to do now is to find someone that is interested with our necklace and sell it to her. One thing that I'm going to teach you is how to laser target this customer and bring them to your store. So, this customer already at your website and bought the necklace for $20. So now you have $20 in your hand. Remember, you actually do not have any physical products to offer her. What we will do now is to go over AliExpress and buy the necklace and dropship it directly to your customer. So you never have the necklace with you. So now let's have a recap of the whole process. So your customer come to your e-commerce store, bought the necklace, you get the money, you buy it from AliExpress, and we ask the supplier from AliExpress to ship it to your customer. So we sold the necklace for $20 and we bought it from AliExpress for $3. Let's say that we spent $2 for advertising and this leaves us $15 profit for this one transaction. And we can make this over and over and over again. So just imagine that we have 2 sales a day. So that will make us $30. Times it with 30 days and we make $900 by just one product. While there are a lot of benefits from this business module, these are the main one. You never have to own any stock. All your products are with your suppliers such as AliExpress. You do not need to worry about where to keep your products and the expenses of renting a warehouse is on your supplier. Next, you will get the money up front first. When your customer buys from you, you will get the money up front. As I said earlier, no technical skill are required. Shopify is a very easy to use platform that anyone can build an online store. It is all about point and clicks, drags and drops. It is really very easy and good fun to do. No prior knowledge of e-commerce needed. Trust me, I have been doing this for years now, and it is very simple and straightforward. It is very easy to manage and scale. It is up to you how aggressive you are, determine how much you can earn. Well, you can earn like 1,000 a month or 10,000 a month. It really depends on how hard you work. And the best thing is that you can run this business at anywhere and anytime. This is an online business. It is a virtual business module. As long as you have your internet, a laptop, then you can run this business. It gives you a lot of freedom in running your business. So there you go. This is the whole business concept of dropshipping and how you can earn money with Shopify. Do not worry. If you are not too clear about all of this, it will become crystal clear later in the chapter. I see you on the next chapter. As your instructor, my job over here is to make sure that you are comfortable and confident with your Shopify store. Well, I fully understand that it can be tough if you have never done this before, as I was a beginner just like you. At the end of this course, I will make sure that you are confident in running a successful dropshipping business with Shopify. So let's get things started. First of all, please write down your Shopify email and password somewhere because you might need them to log back in. Second, please bookmark this page so that you can come back here easily. And you should receive your verification email now. Just click on the verify link on your email before doing anything else. Before we go any further, you might already notice here, select a plan. Right now, I do not need you to worry about anything. We are on a 14 days trial. So we have a good amount of time to explore how we can make money by building a dropshipping business with Shopify. The very first thing that I will want you to do is to click on this eyes icon next to online store. And it will open up your store. So the beauty of Shopify is that it will set up all the technical things for you. So you do not need to worry about anything on the technical side. So you have Wing Super Deal up over here, your homepage, catalog, search, and also the card icon at the top here. So let's scroll a bit lower. You can see feature collections, image with text and slides. And all of this is highly super customized. So you can change things over here. Well, you might feel a bit confused between the Shopify page and the store page. But do not worry, let me help you to clear this out. So this Shopify page can be illustrated as the back end of your store. You will have your customer service departments, your marketing and sales departments, and also your HR departments. Whereas this store Shopify is your store that displays all the products that your company is selling. So you have your Shopify store to do all the processing work, and your store will do the product display, and your customer will walk in and buy from here. So we are currently at the home page. Order is where you can check all your orders from your customer. Product is where you can check for all the products that you have in your store. Customer, where you will find your customer details and purchase history over here. Analytics is a place where you get to check all your total amount sales, conversions, sales by traffic source, etc. Marketing is a place where you can choose a campaign goal, event, selecting a marketing activity, and track the result from within Shopify. Discount, where you can generate discount codes for your customer. I want you to take note on this apps section. In fact, we are going to click on it and look at what is it for different purpose, such as adding more products to your store or boost up your sales. Some of them are free and some of them you need to pay. We will learn more about this later in the lecture, so do not worry about anything at this moment. The next section is the online store. This is where we are going to manage how our online store looks. It is all about changing the store appearance. Let's go back to our shop. It is all about changing all the stuff over here. Themes is pretty much the skin of your shop. We are able to change how the appearance of our shop in just split seconds. Themes can be illustrated as the phone casing themes. Your phone will have a different look and feel after you change your phone casing. Next, blog post. Blog post is a very important element in boosting up your store visibility in Google ranking. Later in the chapter, you will learn how to blog post to rocket up your store ranking in Google so that people get to find your shop much more easily and you can jack up your sales. Pages. Pages, clearly we can add a lot of pages if you want to. Navigation is a menu system that makes your customer feel comfortable when they visit your store. Domains and preference are not really related to the feel and look of your website, but there are a few aspects that are very important to know. We will work on them later in this course. And the last thing is our settings. When you click on it, you get to see a lot of things over here. I do not want you to get overwhelmed. I will introduce them to you at the appropriate stages. So at this point, I just want you to go to General, because this is where you can change things. You can change your store name, email, store address. You also can change the currency shown on your online store. So this is a nutshell of a Shopify store. Do not worry if you do not get everything over here. Everything will come in crystal clear as we dive in deeper. I will see you on the next chapter. So in this lecture, we are going to add some essential pages such as About Us and also Contact Us page. So to add a page, just go down to Online Store, click on Pages and Add Page. So you have your page title over here, Content and Search Engine Listing Preview, which is simply how your page will show on Google, Yahoo, Bing or whatever ranking is it. Just put on Contact Us. You have a lot of functions over here that you can use to create a great looking Contact Us page, but I generally do not encourage you to spend too much of time over here scratching your head on thinking what is the best creative way to design a Contact Us or About Us page, as this page is very important, but it will not directly contribute a lot on your revenue. However, there are a few points that I personally find it very useful in engaging with your potential clients. You must put both your email address and also contact number, because some clients might prefer email and some prefer direct call to us. Talk about your goal and why you want to set up this business. Tell the story of your company. Remember this concept: people buy story, not products. Be genuine, be real to your customer. A lot of people pretend that they run a huge business with millions of sales monthly. Well, let me tell you this, people are not stupid. They know you are not. Just be proud of who you are, be real and be genuine. If you like, you can put some images about your business, how hard you work to make this happen. You can also put your contact us on hidden if you are not ready to publish it. Once you are done, just click on Save button, and this is how you create your About Us and also Contact Us page. I will see you on the next lecture. A very important part of creating a great online store is to have your own logo. I see a lot of online stores do not have their own shop or own business logo. The logo is pretty much a symbol of your business. It's able to create a branding for your company, and it also able to let your customer feel that you are serious about this business and they can trust you. Just imagine that you come to an online store without logo, just a plain generic company name. So do you feel confident with this store? Are you going to buy from this store? Of course you will not. So it is exactly how your customer feel when they visit your store that has without a proper logo. Making an outstanding logo do not need any technical knowledge or a degree in design. We have plenty of websites over here. The very first one that I want to introduce to you is Fiverr. So this place is where people will do pretty much anything for you with a super affordable price. Well, I have created my logo in the past. So just type in logo and search. As you can see over here, there are thousands and thousands of people are ready to help you in designing your logo with a very cheap price. Well, if you want to have more fun and design your own logo, you can use this website called canva.com. It is completely free to sign up. Once you're done signing up, when you log in, you will see a page similar to this. And as you can see over here, these are all the templates that you can choose from. What we are really interested over here is the logo. So just go ahead and click on logo. You can see that on your left hand side over here, you have tons of ready-made templates where you can use and just change it to your own text. For example, I will select this template over here. What I really want to do is just drag it over here and change it to Winghorn Super Duper Store. So please feel free to do it the same and choose the templates that you love the most, and I will see you on the next lecture. Hey guys, welcome back. We are moving along very well. Just a gentle reminder, as I said early on, this course is all about taking actions. And I really hope that you have already set up the pages and also sort out the logo. As we are moving forward, we are going to start building a profitable Shopify store that potentially able to replace your full-time job. So it is very important that you follow and complete every single lecture in this course. So the next thing that I'm going to show you in Shopify is the theme. Theme is pretty much the outlook of your shop. So let's get to the online store. By default, we get a debugged themes. If you go back to the site, you will see the image with text overlay. And this is exactly correspond with this. I will show you how does this theme works and how you can customize it. Most of the Shopify theme has a very similar on how they behave. So if you understand how does this debugged themes work itself, you should be able to work on others' theme as well. So in order to make changes on this theme, all you need to do is click on Customize. At the left section over here is everything that you can make changes. Everything is very straightforward, so do not worry at all. Now let's go to the header. Over here we can upload image logo. Very simple. All you need to do is to upload the logo that we created at Canva. As you can see straight away how it changes. You can customize the logo to be bigger or smaller, and also align it to left or center. Let's go back and let's change the text over here. Just go to image with text overlay. As you scroll down, you can select image and also change the text itself. You can type something like come and visit our store. And also you can edit the button, label and link to the products. You will probably, I would say, spend a good 5 minutes in doing everything over here. So back to the customer page, what I'm going to do over here is to click on select image and upload an image that I get. So you can see instantly the changes to our website. From a plain, boring website to a website that has images and logos. Well, you can play with the other options, and I am quite satisfied with the current design. So let's click on save and refresh.